Imagine the ground beneath your feet suddenly remembering it's just dust. Gravity, once gentle, becomes monstrous. The planet shudders. A violation of physics has arrived. This isn't an asteroid. It's a black hole, no larger than a coin, but with the mass of the Earth. Its presence is absolute. The world ends not in a flash, but in a silent, terrifying pull. Gravity turns predator. Everything becomes heavier. Each step feels like wading through concrete. Your body becomes an anchor, pinned to a world trying to consume you. There's no enemy to fight. The black hole simply is, rewriting the fate of our world. The world is devoured, piece by piece. The unraveling has begun. The first sign isn't visual, it's a feeling. A profound disorientation sweeps the world. The black hole warps space itself, stretching the fabric of reality. Satellites spiral inward, signals lost. GPS fails. The internet severs. Isolation descends. Auroras erupt, then darkness. The sky fades from blue to black. The black hole's influence is absolute. We stand on a dying world, powerless to stop the fall. The black hole is now the planet's center of gravity. The Earth is falling toward it, not quickly, but with methodical certainty. The ground beneath the black hole is first to go, torn apart at the molecular level, superheated into a glowing stream of plasma. A chasm opens, glowing with vaporized rock, a wound that widens and deepens relentlessly. From afar, it looks like a new sun is being born in the heart of our world. The sound is unimaginable. Tectonic plates grinding, air shrieking, the roar of a planet torn asunder. Earthquakes of unprecedented magnitude shake the globe. The crust fractures, splitting open. Volcanoes erupt everywhere, not from pressure, but because the ground itself is ripped open. Rivers of lava pour across the landscape, consuming all. The ground becomes a molten sea, spiraling toward annihilation. The horizon curves upward, distorted by gravity. The sky rains debris. Gravity's pull grows stronger by the hour, pinning people to the ground. Movement becomes impossible. The world dissolves around us. It's a fall without motion, a descent into nothingness, anchored to a sinking ship. The planet is being unmade, and there's no escape. There's a terrible poetry to how a black hole devours matter, spaghettification. Gravity is so extreme that it stretches everything into thin strands. People, buildings, mountains, even oceans. The oceans spiral into a vortex, air is siphoned away, and winds scour the surface. Matter heats up, forming an accretion disk, a spinning ring of superheated plasma, brighter than 1,000 suns. The world is bathed in its own demise, a final radiant burst of energy. Nothing is wasted. Everything is converted into light and heat. It's a cosmic symphony of destruction, played on the strings of stretched atoms. We're not just destroyed, we're unmade. Our particles return to the cosmic ledger. The end is absolute, bordering on the sublime. The universe's most efficient recycling program claims us all. The strangest effect isn't on matter, but on time itself. Immense gravity warps time. Near the black hole, time slows to a crawl. From space, Earth's end appears to happen in slow motion. The final moments frozen at the event horizon. The last light from the accretion disk hovers at the edge of the abyss, a ghostly afterimage. For those falling in, time feels normal, but the universe outside speeds up. In those final moments, one could witness the future of the cosmos in a blinding flash. The end is both instantaneous and eternal, depending on your perspective. time is revealed as malleable and fragile, not the constant we believe. The black hole shatters our perception of reality. Our destruction is a paradox, both immediate and endless. How long until Earth is consumed? Horrifyingly fast. The black hole's appetite accelerates as more matter is drawn in. The planet's crust collapses, the mantle pours into the singularity. Within hours, Earth is gone, replaced by a glowing accretion disk. Our history, art, and accomplishments are vaporized, their atoms stripped and superheated. For a brief moment, two suns shine in our sky, one familiar, one a violent testament to our passing. The process doesn't stop until every atom is consumed. The accretion disk flares, then fades. Silence follows. All that remains is the black hole, a perfect silent sphere, no larger than a coin, drifting where Earth once orbited. It's invisible, detectable only by the way it bends starlight. The solar system has a new, tiny, terrifying member, a tombstone made of nothing. Earth is now a ghost, its presence marked only by gravity. The solar system is forever changed. The black hole, with Earth's mass, continues its orbit, a ghost planet. The moon orbits this invisible point, a companion to a master that no longer exists. From afar, the solar system's dance goes on, unchanged. But up close, the black hole is a death trap, capturing anything that strays too near. It sweeps its orbital path clean, a hidden reef in the solar system. For future civilizations, this anomaly is a place of curiosity and caution. Probes are sent, starlight is studied, and the event is analyzed. Our legacy is a gravitational anomaly, a puzzle for future physicists. We're remembered not for our creations, but for our spectacular destruction. Earth becomes a ghost, its presence felt only by the silent pull it exerts on the void. This scenario is terrifying, but it offers a humbling perspective. We see ourselves as masters of our world, but a coin-sized black hole shatters that illusion. We're not in control. We're temporary residents on a fragile rock, subject to indifferent cosmic laws. The universe doesn't care about us, it simply is. Gravity is relentless, following its own rules. Our illusion of control is just that, an illusion. This is a lesson in humility, forcing us to confront our insignificance. But there's beauty in this realization. It frees us from the burden of cosmic importance, letting us appreciate the improbability of our existence. Every moment is a precious, fleeting gift. The universe's indifference makes our brief consciousness extraordinary. We are a miracle of chance, shining briefly in the cosmic dark. Our awareness, however fleeting, is its own kind of miracle. After the fire and fury, what remains? A memory, an echo. For a short while, our final light races across the galaxy, telling the story of our demise. Distant astronomers might see a sudden, brilliant flash, a planet consumed by a singularity. They'd record it, analyze the light, and know a world had died. But they'd never know the life, the dreams, the consciousness that once thrived here. The most haunting part isn't the destruction, but the silence that follows. The universe won't mourn us. Our passing is a fleeting pulse of light in the void. Our history becomes a brief, fading testament that we were once here. A final, lonely echo in the vast darkness. And so, we're left with a question. If our existence is so fragile, what does it truly mean to be here at all?